Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I am giving you demonstration how to clear history and cookies on your any Apple product like iPhone, iPad, iPad Pro, iPad Mini. So let's start as a demonstration. So first of all, open setting, scroll down, and here one options are come Safari. Click there, and here several options are available. So in the end of the screen one options are available, clear history and website data. You click here and clear all data and clear all cookies. So right, clear everything of searching internet. I search many different website portal, so right now I am clear everything. And here one options are available like block all cookies. So I always use the block all cookies. So you can use these features also in the small videos. So hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.